Hi guys, welcome back to another review, and today we'll be taking a look at G.I. Joe Classified Series Special Missions Cobra Island Barbecue, Gabriel Barbecue Kelly. I've been looking forward to this. I've been waiting all week for him to arrive, and he finally arrived. And looking at him, it's like barbecue just jumped straight out of the 80s to 2021. I mean, this is the old barbecue look. Just a little bit of modern update, but it's pretty much the same with the vintage one. Now let's take a quick look at the box. There's the Special Missions Cobra Island G.I. Joe Classified Series Gabriel Barbecue Kelly. There's the Art of Barbecue. At the background you can see the Cobra Island logo. At the side, more Art of Barbecue is connected to the front. At the back, Cobra Island, we've seen this before. Legalese. At the bottom, barcode and legalese. At the side, there's the G.I. Joe Classified Series symbol. You have to go to the Hasbro website to check them out, to decode them. Number 32 at top, 32. That's it. Now looking at barbecue, he kind of reminds me of Darth Vader. The function of the device on his vest pretty much similar to Darth Vader. It helps him breathe under that helmet of his, that tin can helmet. And the helmet, it's a little bit like Kylo Ren. So it's a bit mix of Darth Vader and Kylo Ren. For accessories, he comes with a foam tank, a hose that's connected to the gun, and he comes with two axes. A small axe and a big axe. Now for comparison, here's barbecue with beach head and snake eyes. Here's barbecue with flint and the ram cycle. Now for articulations, the head can look up, down, swivel, tilt, so much tilt. There's a butterfly joint. Can swivel all the way around, outward, 90 degree, swivel the bicep, elbow joint, the wrist can hinge up and down. The ab crunch is gone because of the vest, but he can swivel the waist all the way around. Now for the thigh, can go out 90 degree, side way over 90 degree, back not so much. There's knee joint, a swivel at the thigh, a swivel at the boot. The ankle can go side to side, hinge up and down. That's it for the review. If you enjoyed the review, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.